we were able to thrift another bird feeder. Look at that. Wow. And this one, we got really lucky because it's from Wild Birds Unlimited and they make really nice bird feeders. Normally this one is $52 online, but we got it $10 hairs. But we also got 20% off because when you donate to Savers, you get like a little 20% off coupon. So technically $8. It's exciting. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get it filled up, add it to our collection, and see who comes. And what's nice, you can clean it really easily by releasing this down here. Look at that, it's awesome. I think we need a new cup. We've been using this one to put a lot of seeds in our feeders. I think it's time for a change. Wow. Look at how pretty. Oh, wow. That's why it's so important to go thrifting, see what you can find, because the fact that this was originally $52 and we got it for $8, it's pretty awesome. Just goes to show you don't need to buy all new stuff just because you have a hobby or interest. So, yeah, thanks for watching.